You guys, so I'm numb from here up. Basically, I had to get fillings for my cavities, and I just paid $683 because I have no dental insurance. And it's also very weird that I am a patient because I'm always like helping patients. So it feels weird to be a patient, and it does not feel great. So patients, y'all are brave for showing up to dental office. So I just came home from the cafe and I went to TJ Maxx for like 15 minutes. Found absolutely nothing and I just came home. But on the way home, I've been just kind of like thinking a lot of things. So I decided to just sit down and talk about it. And I know like only like 2 people are gonna watch this, but so as for the DET, for pre-dental students, you have to take this exam, DET, and I've already taken it twice and I did not score as well as I wanted. So that's why I've been studying again to get a better score. And obviously my first gap year is already almost over, as in like I quote unquote wasted, not exactly wasted, but I like used up my 1 gap year already since graduation. And I'm not gonna say it's a waste, I like wasted time. I definitely did not waste my time, but it does make me nervous that I still haven't gotten the score I want yet, and you know, I'm like running out of time to get the score. But I'm also working full-time and doing content creating and like all of this all at once, so it's kind of like making me nervous a little bit. And there's so many things I want to do during my gap year, but I haven't gotten to do it because I've been only doing work or studying, and half the time studying doesn't really happen because I'm so exhausted from work. So I'm like a little bit nervous and it's really making me anxious because it's my 3rd time preparing for this exam. I'm a little bit more like, I don't know, like let's get this done, like let's get the score, let's like make this happen, let's finish this is the last time that I'll ever take it. So that is my mindset. But yeah, so that's one thing. Number 2, I want to be more active this year. I've been definitely pushing off like working out or just like physically moving my body. Like I've been definitely pushing that off, and I feel bad for my body because I've already been sick like twice. I've got food poisoning and I am recovering from COVID booster right now. I have like really high fever. My throat is hurting as I speak. So I am like literally as soon as New Year hit, I just got sick back to back, and I need to be more caring about my health. So that is another thing. But yeah, these are just some of the things that were in my head. Today's been very productive. I got a lot of work done. I still have more to do. And I am so grateful for this day off because I really needed some day to just catch up on my studying, catch up on like miscellaneous things that I do have to work on. So it's been great so far, but I'm so hungry and I'm going to eat. Anyways, I'm in the car because I just feel the need to clean my car. It's so dusty, ugly, messy, and I just hate it. And I just want to like restock the trunk, this glove department area, the compartment area and stuff like that. So let's do it. By the way, you guys, this is what I'm working with. I took everything out of the glove compartment there, and I also need to work on this and vacuum the whole place, dust it down and stuff like that. So let's work on this. Expired band-aids. I found my old public library card. Do they even have a physical card nowadays? I don't even know. I've not seen number 2 pencil in so long. I hate these pencils. These are HB. Can pads expire? Someone let me know.
Fixation and metal coat steps. So the fixation process, we already know that the heat can kill cells, and the metal coat.
Currently shopping at Zara after dinner. Found some stuff, returning some stuff. My mom's grabbed a lot of stuff. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to get a haircut right now because I just feel like my hair is way too long. So my mom's gonna cut it for me actually. Let's see. This is the longest I've ever had my hair. Maybe this much?
이명실 오신 걸 아!
This got piercing. So fun fact, I've like never really gone to like hair salons in America just because like my mom like always just cuts my hair. Honestly, she's been doing this for like 10 years now. Like ever since we came to America, I just don't trust anyone here. Because like I just feel like people in this area really suck and I don't really trust them. So yeah, but like I don't know, I rather like have it done here and like not pay anything if it's like effed up, like you know, you don't have to pay them anything. So it's a free salon for me. I look so funny in this. Like this is so old, you guys. Like we ordered this before we came to America. And then we brought them here. And we even bought the scissors kit, like a whole kit from Korea before coming to America. And it's been a good investment. Like, my sister just got a haircut a few days ago too, right? Yeah, we also got these little clips, like you would see them at the hair salon. So the first time my mom cut my hair, it was so bad. Like she would cut so she would cut it from the back, right? And then I put my hair in the front and it was like a whole different, I don't even like length. It was so funny. 앞에 봐봐, 대박이야. 장난 아니야. Okay, you guys, you see what I mean? What the F? Okay, so
I'm not done yet.
I know she's not done and she's gonna fix it. So I don't really care. But like, you have to tell her you're gonna cut this much because she'll cut this much.